You need to have that burning desire. This reminds me one story, and I want to tell you that story. That is very important story. I do not forget that story in my life. What is that story? It's a story of a person who wanted to be a millionaire. And one day he was walking across the street in downtown, and he saw one person getting down from a big car, Ferrari. And the moment he saw him, he recognized that he is a multi-millionaire. And he approached to him and said, Sir, I am so happy to meet you, sir. Sir, I learned how to become a millionaire like you. Sir, will you teach me, sir? I want to be a millionaire, sir. Sir, please teach me, sir. Sir, I really want to be a millionaire. He said, okay, gentleman, since your request, I'm okay with that. So let's do one thing. I'm ready to teach you, but I don't want to teach you right now because I am very busy today. Why don't you come tomorrow morning at 4:30 in the morning near the beach area, near the beach, and I'll teach you there. So you want to call me near the beach and that too at 4:30 in the morning? Yes, gentlemen. Are you not able to come there? No, sir. I will definitely be there. I will definitely be there. Okay, gentlemen. See you sharp at 4:30 in the morning, at the seashore. He said, fine, no problem, sir. Tomorrow I'll meet you. And tomorrow, next day, both of them are there at 4:30. And this gentleman asks the millionaire person, hey, sir, please tell me, sir, what to do. How can I be a multi-millionaire, sir? Then the millionaire says, okay, I'm going to tell you, let's go inside the water. He said, sir, inside the water, and then you are going to teach me how to be a millionaire? I did not understand the equation, sir. Sir, can you please tell me, sir, how to be a millionaire? Let's come, gentlemen. Let's walk inside the water. I said, okay, sir. If you feel that I can learn there, then let's go inside the water. Now, both of them walking inside the water in the shore, and the water level is rising slowly and gradually. The water level is at the knee level. And then he asks same question to the millionaire. Sir, please tell me, how can I be a multi-millionaire, sir? Don't worry, gentlemen. Let's go a little more inside, and then I'll tell you about it. He said, okay, sir, let's go inside. And now the water level is at the waist level, at the stomach level. And this gentleman is now worried. Oh, why I'm going inside the water? He has to simply tell me how to become a millionaire, right? Then he requested again, sir, please tell me, sir, how can I be a multi-millionaire, sir? He said, okay, no problem, gentlemen. I'll tell you, but why don't you come again? Let's go inside the water further. Okay, sir, fine. You say that now the water level is at the shoulder level, right? And now he says, sir, now we have come so deep inside the water, and please tell me, how can I be a millionaire, sir? I'm so excited to learn. Oh, yeah, gentlemen, definitely I'm going to tell you how to be a millionaire. But let's go a little more inside the water. Sir, what are you saying, sir? Sir, the water level is up to the shoulder level, and you are asking me to go inside the water. Then millionaire said that, do you want to learn how to be a millionaire? Yes, sir, I want to be a millionaire, sir. Please tell me. Let's go inside. Then follow me what I say. Okay, sir, you say that, so I'm following it. And both of them went inside the water. Now the water level comes up to this level, and then he again says that go inside the water, and then the water level is up to this level, up to just above the nose. And now both of them are standing over there, and then this millionaire holded his head like this and pushed his head inside the water and did not allow him to come out of the water. And this person is saying, and he is now, doing like this inside the water. He's just trying to come out, he's just trying to come out, and he's giving his 100%. He's putting a lot of effort there, just to bring his face up outside the water. And finally the millionaire lifted his head outside the water. He left his head. And this gentleman, "Sir, what are you doing, sir? Sir, is this the way you teach me how to be a millionaire, sir? What kind of person is there? I asked you simply, sir, teach me how to be a millionaire, sir, and you are teaching me like this, sir." "Okay, gentleman, hold on. I told you I will teach you. I will keep up my words. Now tell me, when I put your head inside the water, what was the one thing you were looking for that time?" "Sir, I was looking for the next breath. I was looking for only one breath so that I can survive." "Why you were looking for, sir? Without that I cannot survive." And then millionaire says, "The day you cannot survive without becoming successful, that day you will be successful." He said, "The day you cannot survive without becoming a millionaire, that day nobody can stop you to become a millionaire." What is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is simple. If you can survive without being successful, you still do not have that burning desire. You still do not have that burning desire. The burning desire will kick you to go and do all those things which you really do not want to do. The difference between winners and losers are: winners don't want to do so many things, but they do it anyway. Losers, they don't want to do many things like the winners, but they don't do because that is their choice. But winners do it in spite of not wanting to do it. And nobody can stop to those winners. How many of you are winners here? I want to call all of you winners from today. I'll address you, "Hey winners, are you going to make things possible? Let's make it happen. Everybody, let's make it happen."